reminded ourselves we would want to become when we grow up. Then, from us, you have mercilessly taken our valued possession, far more than gold and silver. A big chunk of the Hillside family has been robbed from us. As we continue asking ourselves, why? With every sunrise, we hold on the words of the Holy Scripture in the book of Ephesians chapter 4, verse 7, that says, "And the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus." Till we meet again, our beloved, may you dance with angels in heaven. Safiri Salam.
Thank you. Pastor Lincoln, together with Mr. Mwangi and the entire Parliament leadership, please come over. As they do that, we'll be preparing to do a hymn, and I happened to see the owner of the song here, so we may not allow you to sing it. So Mr. Oidajo, kindly, I saw you, you were in my eyes. Our people, please come this side, and then we shall join with the team. You will do that hymn immediately after this.
Your Excellency, the Deputy President, before we read our tributes, we want to appreciate you and the government and these parents that we are representing today. They've sent me with appreciation because on the fateful day you came to the class where we were, and you prayed for us, and you read us to a song. These parents are grateful that you found time to pray with us in that class. Ladies and gentlemen, as we gather here today to celebrate the lives of our 21 sons, brothers, friends, we are strengthened as we remember the joy, laughter, love they brought into our lives. We appreciate that God gave you to us as gifts. You came, you conquered life in your own different ways, and together you left as friends. Though mourning today, we mourn as believers, being assured that though absent from us, you are present with your Creator and heavenly Dad at a better place, away from pain and sorrow. In the meantime, we parents choose not to complain, but sojourn on with your wonderful memories of joy, laughter, courage, which you brought in our lives. Your memories will continue to inspire and uplift us as we navigate this world without you. Together, we shall honor your legacies and cherish every great moment we share. Revelation 21, verse 3 and 4. And I heard a great voice out of heaven saying, "Behold, the tabernacle of God is with men, and he will dwell with them, and they shall be his people, and God himself shall be with them and be their God. And God shall wipe away all tears from their eyes, and there shall be no more death, neither sorrow nor crying, neither shall there be any more pain, for the former things are passed away. Fare thee well, our sons, fare thee well, our brothers, fare thee well, our friends, till we meet again in Jesus' arms. Love you all. Yours, Paris." Thank you.
Thank you. standing. And then our brother Wiganjo will lead us in that song. Should also be casted on the screens. Which I manage them all there. Thank you.
Mawe koma kuengai emake garia mona Jerashiaku shaori awe hoke kuorie Uchekako magekai atonde agiorange Tokia,
tungetaka kusikia neno ambalo litatuongoza kwa siku ya leo, na ningetaka kumwalika Askofu Francis Kihuria Bujiri Oboya IPCA atusomee somo la kwanza, alafu atafuatwa na Reverend Mary wa PCA tusomee somo la pili na tutabarikiwa. Karibuni.
Tukiwa tumeketi tutasoma somo letu la kwanza from the book of Isaiah 55 from verses 6 to 13. Behold, you shall call a nation that you do not know,